Imagine busting your tail at your workplace, whether it's corporate, industrial, warehouse, construction. You're an A player, a team player, a high performer. You give less resistance to tasks that need to be completed, quick turnarounds. Time to sit down at the review table and they throw you like $1. Or management might just give you that sad story about how the company isn't making money. Things are low, tight. You say to yourself, or better yet, you say to the manager, you expect me to perform another year? Management got to really think deep of how this really works. And for the employee, you have to sit and think about what are the perks at that workplace. What are the perks? Of course, money, you do want to get a nice raise, but they start short shafting you. Think about the perks. Is it close? Do you live close to your job? Quickly get in, quickly get out. You save on gas, you're home within 10-15 minutes. Perks. They throw you a 30-minute lunch or maybe an hour lunch. Could you possibly take a 2-hour lunch? Think about that. But if you have an objective to climb whatever ladder in that company, there's one thing you have to do. Keep your mouth shut. I've seen people going around beating their chest about how they're an outstanding worker. I get it. I do it sometimes. They need me. They can't get this done without me. A lot of those managers out there be like, I don't give a damn if this task don't get complete, this job don't get done. I'm throwing your ass up out of here. How many people witnessed that? Other people say, damn. My man was the top player up in this company, in this department. Manager chopped him like that. These are eye openers. I've seen them many times over and over. But like I said, if you have an objective to excel at your workplace, I know it's hard, but you have to keep that shit closed. Work your way around it. Say your second year comes around, you busting it out, and they sit there and still don't throw anything at you. Or the management be like, oh, let me go talk to the higher ups, see what they can they give you something. Is he really representing you behind closed doors? Or they come back and say, we'll give you $1.50. I'm still in the hole from the last review that you shafted me. And you know my A game is strong up in here. Managers see it. Some don't really acknowledge it. Also, they quick to throw your ass out that door. And it marvels me how many times I've seen this be done. So other advice that I could give to people is to actually have your resume on hand and constantly check out other companies, businesses that's in your scope of work. If you got them vacation time, sick time, schedule those for the interviews. Shop the market. Companies, they're doing the same. When you start seeing a bunch of people coming in for interviews and stuff, and you may be like, man, my job is secure. You know, nobody's job is damn secure, no matter what you do. There's be employee of the month so many damn times, they said you got to give someone else a try. Okay, I'll slow down progress then. Then it almost got threatened to get fired. Shit, twice. In the furniture business, in the AV business that crumbled. Whoever trolling me that know what I'm talking about, shout out, comment down below. VCA. They stabbed more people in the back. Let me get back on track. Say it again. If you have a vision of where you want to be at that company, you got to work your way around management any way how. Network within the company with other departments, depending on how big the company is. Got them slacker of a management crew. God, they're horrible. And I got other tutorials out in regards to them being slackers. They keep flunkies around them. Don't become a flunky. Don't become a flunky. by all means. You will never succeed or excel by being a flunky to a manager. Make sure you swing by my channel. Like, subscribe, comment below. I'm really looking for managers to put their input in, and so for only one, and he said the most dumbest thing ever about him running a tight ship, and they mess up once, they're gone, they're out of here. You're not a manager. Managers manage. Foolio. I got thumbnails that were popping up. I'll probably throw some at the end too. Some links in the description. Check it out. Once again, another eye-opener. Markie Williams. I'm going to see you guys in the future.